iPad keyboard. For my iPad, I got for Christmas. Okay, so we're gonna open it now. And it's on here. Yeah. Wireless keyboard with protection cover. We're gonna open it now. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna tell what's this? Instructions. Something. What's this? And we got our keyboard cover. Gonna open it. Gonna open it. There's a hole. Yeah. Just do my work here. Okay, we're gonna put our iPad in here. Like this, so I think like this. Okay. Okay, and opening it. See? Yeah. We're gonna connect it because we can't use it right now. What? Here. Something. So we're going to open Bluetooth. I'm gonna connect. It's loading. So we turn this on. It's really nice. And it's connected. See? I'll get the mouse. Wait. Yes. Oh. What's this? Okay. It's a nice keyboard and it's comfortable to type and easy. So when you go to another app, you just press escape. It's not that heavy and you can carry it. Okay. Overall, it's nice and good. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.